Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to empty the recycle bin in Windows. It's a simple process, but it's essential to keep your computer clean and free up some disk space. To empty the recycle bin, first find its icon on your desktop. It looks like a waste bin or trash can. Now double-click on the recycle bin icon to open it. Inside, you'll see all the files and folders that you previously deleted from your computer. To clear everything out and permanently delete these items, click on the Empty Recycle Bin option. It is usually located at the top of the window. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete these files. Click Yes to proceed. And that's it. The recycle bin is now empty and the space on your hard drive has been freed up. Remember that once you empty the recycle bin, the deleted files cannot be recovered easily, so be sure you no longer need them before you delete them permanently. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to empty the recycle bin in Windows. See you on my next video where I'll bring you more exciting tech tips and tricks. Keep your computer tidy and happy computing!